Coverage continues as this storm is making its way through western Mass, causing, again, a tremendous amount of flooding in areas.
And Western Mass News reporter Kayla Burton joins us live in Chicopee. And Kayla, it seems like the rain is still there, but slowed down a bit.
Yeah, Chris and Jordan, absolutely. The rain has calmed down a little bit here, but listen, I'm wet, okay? It's still raining, you can definitely tell. And I'm here at Gill Street in Chicopee, and if you take a look behind me, this street, it's very dark right now, so it's hard to see, but it is completely flooded. Now, this storm just barreling through Western Mass, causing a whole lot of mess. From trash cans knocked over to cars slowly making their way through the streets. Residents tell me it's definitely a major change up in weather from the past few days. One woman tells Western Mass News out of the 21 years she's been living here, she's never seen anything like this.
It is crazy. It came down so fast and it built up so fast. This is actually the worst it has ever been.
But after an extremely hot week, some are embracing the cooler weather, shoes off and just soaking it all up.
It's kind of very surprising and like shocking how it's like very hot to cold.
Well, it feels good to be cooled down. As you can see, I put my sweatshirt on. I gotta shut the air off now in the house.
Now, we reached out to the Chicopee Police Department, and they all want to advise residents to make sure that you are driving slowly on the roads and to remain off of the roads if possible. Williamstead area is one of the worst streets they are dealing with currently tonight, and Meeting House Road from Elkin to Elmer is closed at the moment. They are waiting for the water to drain, but say it should be back open in the next hour or so, and Meadow Street is officially cleared. Now, as mentioned, it is still wet, still rainy, and there's a lot of people inside. I mean, that's not that shocking here, but you definitely see some people just walking through these areas barefoot because I think that they're just so excited to finally feel this cool weather. But make sure you are staying safe out there. For now, live in Chicopee, Kayla Burton, Western Mass News.